All right, good morning from the Philippines. We are streaming live. We're streaming live from L&H Sorry Store. Good morning, Jean. Bella Morning, Mystic Traveler. Or morning, evening, wherever it is you're at. Namias. Where's Justice? The cat. We don't know. We don't know where Justice is. Justice is gone. We don't know where Justice is at. Hello from Kentucky. Hello, Wally. Wally, you were given the typhoon updates. Hello from Williamsport, Pennsylvania. I know right where Williamsport is. Hello from Canada. Hello from Georgia. Good morning in Michigan. Good morning, Pamela. Hope your day is going well. It's going okay this morning. Hello from Vegas. Good morning, Pedro Rodriguez.
Liberty.
Yeah, we don't know where Justice is. Has been like a week now. Gone. We don't know where. We don't know what happened to Justice. Either somebody snatched Justice, or Justice got hit by a trike, or we don't know. Glen Burnie, Maryland. Good morning. Hello, Kansas. Hello, San Diego. Gunda Numaga. Roadkill, maybe. I don't know. No what? Poison. Look thinks maybe somebody poisoned Justice. Wouldn't surprise me at all. What's up with the demon car? The demon car is going in to get a oil change today. Still up for sale. Like I said, a lot of people say they know people that are looking for cars, or that can sell the car, and well, they never got back to me. Maybe Justice was taken to court. Yeah, you know what? Here's the thing around here. If cats get into trash, or cats start being a nuisance to other people or whatever, a lot of times it's sad to say, but they'll poison the cats to get rid of them. I've heard it happen here. Like I said, animals' life value of animals' lives here are not, they're not high on the list. How's the USD peso exchange rate? This morning I seen it for 53.25 on the US dollar. But how's the USD? Yeah, 53.25. We on the way to take Hannah Grace to school, we go by a couple of the exchange places, and I always look over to see what it is. And that seems to be what it's running right now, 53. Today's Wednesday, so today and tomorrow, the rate's right up there. Come the weekend, they seem to drop a little bit, but for the most part, they've been staying up there at 53. Good morning, Roy, or hello, Roy from San Antonio. Might be street seasick. Yeah, you never know. Is it easy to start a store there? Well, I mean, it is and it isn't. You got to find the location, and of course you got to have the money to start the store. It doesn't take a lot to start the store. And then it depends on how big your store is and how much you want in the store. you got to understand, stores aren't, stores aren't designed to make anybody rich. It's just designed, like, for us, to keep us busy, sell a few things, give back to the community. But yeah, I mean, it's not designed to make you a millionaire. Greetings from Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Pottsville, Pennsylvania is the home of Yuengling beer. Yes, it is Wednesday for us. Yep, Pottstown, Pennsylvania, the home of Yuengling beer. You need some more? They poisoned the husky that I bought from my girlfriend. Yeah, I can believe it. Pedro, like I said, it all depends on how big your store is, how much you want to put in it, what you want to have in it. You want to have frozen products. You want to have a freezer so you can give out, ice and other things that you might be able to freeze. People drink alcohol and soda. You got to have that cold. It all depends. You want to sell rice? Do you not want to sell rice? It all depends on how big your store is. So that's what determines how much you're going to spend. Are you getting rain? Yeah, I mean, this morning it was drizzling. It's past couple days with this typhoon that had supposedly come up north. We've had rain for the past couple days, but nothing really heavy and crazy. Monday they canceled school with the anticipation of all this rain, and we didn't get, it rained a little bit, but not really enough to justify shutting, in my opinion, to shut the school, but they'd rather be safe than sorry. Because here people transport their kids and they take them to school, or they ride jeepneys, or they ride trikes, and certain areas can flood out. So I guess it's best to stay on the safe side and just call off school than to have kids at school, or people transporting their children to school, and then you get caught in a flood, or you get caught in some heavy rain. So they caution, they went on the safe side and just canceled school. I got the notification like 6 in the morning, so we were already up, but they canceled school on Monday, and then of course school yesterday and today. Hello, Omaha, Nebraska. There is no Costco in Angeles City. There's an S&R. S&R is like a Costco. And people had said, well, go to Costco or S&R, buy in bulk, and then, break it down and sell it. Lourdes done the math, and she said that it's not going to, first of all, they sell in bulk, and they sell in big bulk items, like big packets of ketchup and soy sauces and oil, and she said it wouldn't pay to buy it like that and sell it here. It's cheaper to keep going up to S&R and buying up at S&R and going that route, or not S&R, up at Jumbo Genera. Are the roads slick after it rains? Yeah. Yeah, they get kind of slick. Where's a good place for foreigners to buy a condo in Angeles City? You know what? There's condos here, there, all over. It all depends. If you buy condos, more towards like the the Walking Street area and up in there, you're going to pay a lot for that than if you buy a condo, say, out and away. I haven't gotten a hold of the guy yet with the condo down near Marquee Mall. Like I said, everybody was gung-ho at first about it, and then nobody got back to me. So I'm trying to contact him to set up an appointment to go in and check out the condo down there by Marquee Mall. But it all depends on your location. Candy Tower, Mystic Traveler, from what I'm told is they're sold out. As soon as they started laying breaking ground at Candy Tower, sold out. I think they're putting up another one. I think I've seen where they might be putting up another one, or they're starting another one. But yeah, that goes like hotcakes. What was your family's reaction when you decided to move to the Philippines? They were all for it. You know, like I said, I stay in contact with my family, Facebook, chat. So I mean, I stay in contact with them. They were all for it. Nobody was against it. Nobody said stay. No, you know, none of that. They were all for it. What's the name of our store? L&H Sorry store. Phase 2. Okay. Hello from Guam. Hello, Guam. Money laundering. I don't know about all that. Can you vlog soon about a 13A visa? 13A visas have already been done. I guess I can, but I don't like you got a lot of people out there that have done these, you know, videos on 13A, on visa extensions, on where to get your visa done, on just normal things that expats, you know, are required to do here. So, you know, I kind of stay away from doing it. I mean, I could do one, but they've been done already. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I could, but it's not, you know, I don't know. I guess it's really not my thing. It's been done 100 times. Yeah. Can you handle any tough questions on here? 5F555555. I know who you are and where you come from, buddy. Chummo change. What was a scary moment for you? Good question. What was a scary moment? Scary moment for me was, I guess, making the decision and doing it to come here to the Philippines. Like making that decision, selling everything, and making that decision to come here. I mean, it was a scary decision, but you know, I did it, and I'm glad I did it. How much do you sell beer for? Look, how much is beer? 40. How much? Huh?
Depends what kind of beer.
Let's start with Red Horse.
40.
Red Horse is 40. Sam McLight. 34. Sam McPilsner. 30. What else is there?
Apple.
Sam Miguel Apple. 34. No, Kathy, no plans to expand a family. Not feasible. Is Mindanao worth visiting, and is it safe? It all depends on where you go. Northern Mindanao, what is it? Surigao up north like that. It's safe up there. You know, they tell you don't visit Mindanao. It's not safe, but it all depends on where you go. Of course, you don't want to go way down south. I personally wouldn't travel alone in Mindanao. I would travel with a group or people. You're safer in numbers. Morning, Bruce. If you want to buy a couple cases of beer, what would be the best type of place to purchase it? Matt, you know what? There are beer distributors, at least up here in Angeles City, and I'm sure in other areas, cheapest is just go to the beer distributors. They're the cheapest to get it from. You go to a store like us, of course we got to mark it up, so you're not going to get a good deal. But the best place is to go to like a beer distributor, even like Johnny's up here. Johnny's, right? Is it Johnny's? Johnny's has a good deal too, and it's a big store. But the beer distributor is your best route. You can always come and buy it from us. We're not going to turn down business. Hello from Scottsdale, Arizona. Yeah, like I said, Cherigal's nice. It's one of the best surfing places, or it's the top surfing place here in the Philippines. What's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in the Philippines? That one I have to think about. It's a lot of weird things. How many kids does Sheila have? 2. 2. She has 2, yeah, 1 older and 1 younger. Good morning, Kenyo. What's up, Danny? Is Davao a safe place? Never been to Davao, so I really couldn't tell you. They say it's safe. Here's my thing. I wouldn't want to live in a city where just the city is safe, and then if you travel outside the city, you got to be kind of afraid. But they say Davao is safe. No, guys, Justice did not come back. We have no clue where Justice is. Rain Man. What about Iloilo? I couldn't tell you. I've never been to Iloilo. Am I going to watch the Pacquiao fight? Nah. But I'm sure everybody here will watch the Pacquiao fight. That's the thing here. When Manny fights, everything kind of shuts down. Any bars, like up on Walking Street, like Phillies and other sports bars and stuff, they'll play it on the TV screens, and they'll gather all around like 5 deep just to watch it. I don't know. I won't watch it. Just because, I guess I just have no interest in watching it. In my opinion, he should retire, so that's just my opinion. Is the VA hospital clinic nearby your location? From what I understand is the VA hospital is down in Manila, and that's not near us. Hello, Dave. Dave's from Philly. I'm from Philly also, but living here in Davao with my wife and son. What's up, Dave? What's up from New Jersey? Hello from America. Mary Key. Yeah, that's just my opinion. Manny should just retire. I don't know if he just does it because he obviously doesn't need the money. He's just doing it, I guess, because he just likes to box. And then does it tell you there's just no quality boxers out there that, Manny's got to keep on fighting? I don't know. Oh, they're asking for Lut. They're asking for you. Here is Lut buffering. Yeah, there's the chicken choker. It is an alright. It's an alright. I'm getting a solid green line, so once you're done there, there's no going back in time. Have you seen where the lot of traffic enforcement is at the highway at 7-Eleven catching all the motorbikes without helmets? You know what, Philip? I know what you're talking about, and yeah, those guys, here's the thing, they set up once in a while, and it only seems like they do it in the morning. Come the afternoon, they're like they take a break. They like leave. It's a morning thing. I said they need to do it at night. Water guys here.
Thank you.
How much is the monthly Wi-Fi plan? I think we pay for cable. What we just pay for internet here. How much is it?
3,700.
No, just for here.
Oh, for her month.
We pay 1.5 for here, and that's 30 Mbps and I think 15 download. 30 and 15, whatever that is. But that's all we have here, so that's our plan. We can get cheaper and we get more expensive if we wanted to. All right, here's Lut.
Hello! Hello, Lucky. Where should I start? Si Wave, Hansel. Hi, Lot. Until how's the car hunt going? Pao, how's the car hunt going?
Oh, we've done hunting. Now we're trying to sell.
Yeah, we're done hunting and then now we're trying to sell our car. Look, my lips were so pink. Oh, David Angel. Our Wi-Fi here is 1,700 pesos in the PLDT. Yeah, they said PLDT is good in Manila. I'm not sure. We use like Converge. You notice I put like a pink lipstick on my lips. Jude and Phil Thomas. Dimplestery, hi from Ohio. Oh, I went to Ohio before. Where the heck it is? S, kumusta? Kumusta, S? I need to wear glasses. Chicken Crocker. Hello, pretty lady. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. Scott V. Hello, lot. Hello, Mr. Scott. Regina Street. John. Hello from Gulfport, Mississippi. Peter Reynolds. Hello, lot. Great to see you. Thank you. 55555. Is your drone still working? Yeah, it is still working. It's still working. Hey, Pao, come here.
What? What?
You have a heartily given from, I don't know where.
Oh, 555 gave you $5.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. 55555 for your heartily given. Ooh. Steve Coffer, know about making your own alcohol? Yeah. There's certain law that you need to follow. Mystic Traveler. Hello, my friend Lot. Hello, Mr. Mystic Traveler. Mystic Traveler, only 18 days left until I get there. Oh, you must be very excited, huh? That's what I felt before too, when we almost back to Philippines. I always said like, oh, almost there. Reina Ameripino. Good morning, Lot from Las Vegas. Redna. Oh, Redna. Hello, Las Vegas. James Colley. About time, someone beautiful. Wow, I wish. I'm always beautiful. That's what my mother told me.
Yeah, papaya.
Oh, I need to buy pineapple.
Huh?
I need to buy pineapple.
From him.
Oo. Oh, 20.
You want pineapple?
Gigi, 2018 watching, thumbs up. Thank you. Ano lang?
Royal.
Royal.
Opo. Tsaka po pero 14 likes.
James Kulit. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Let's get a handle some customers.
Hindi pa ako nagbayad. Ha?
Dagli mo.
Do you sell ice cream?
No,
No, we don't sell ice cream.
Ito lang, oh. Ay.
Hang on, let's getting something. What are you getting? Pineapple.
Huli ko na din.
Hindi
Let's
pa
get
rin
some
yan.
pineapple.
Huli ko na din.
You can visit when you, sure you can visit. Good morning, Eric. Jay, thank you so much for your kind contribution. Tom, thank you.
Meron na ako. Oo, kahapon sana yun. Kasi nag-ano ako.
Ano po? Isang ng Royal. Isang overload.
JG, what's the most watching you had it? What's the most watching you had at once? I'm not sure what you mean by that, Jay. Oh, what's the watching the live show. I don't know. I think maybe the first live show we did, we had a lot. Right now it says 194 watching, so that's pretty good.
Ito. Tapos,
Hello, Robert from Lebanon. I know where Lebanon is. Does YouTube take any of the money people give you? I'm not sure. I don't know. I really don't know. There's 199 watching. All right.
19 plus 8, 17, 9, 10.
Good morning. Good morning, Gundam Miguel.
Ako, isa pong...
Yeah, I know. I need to get to the barber. I was thinking about walking down and getting a haircut.
Ano pong
200 watching? Yeah, 202. I was thinking about walking down. I got to get the oil change in the car today, so I was thinking about walking down to get a haircut. YouTube takes 30%. All right.
Speed.
No, do I ever cook dinner for Lut and HD? No, she won't let me cook. You got any corn dogs? You know what? There are corn dogs here up at SNR. They sell corn dogs up at SNR. But as far as selling them like on the street, like you don't see it. You see the hot dogs and they grill them and everything, and then they put them on a stick, they grill them. You see a lot of that, but as far as vendors selling corn dogs here, I haven't seen it. But I have seen the corn dogs for sale up at SNR. Echoing, echoing, echoing. Am I echoing, or is it just the chicken choker who thinks I'm echoing? Yes, they sell chicken butts.
Kuya!
What color did we choose? The white. We like the white. You know what, Kevin Park? I am making homemade macaroni and cheese, baked macaroni and cheese on the 31st. My birthday's coming up, and I said I'm going to make it. because you know what, I found the the perfect butter, the perfect cheese, which is sometimes that's what what I had to find was the perfect cheese and the perfect butter. And noodles are noodles, so. But yeah, I'm going to make that on my birthday coming up at the end of the month. White Honda City, yeah. Robert M. I know right where Reading is. Been to Reading a million times.
Ha? Ay, wala siyang ano kuya, kasali lahat yun. Bali lahat yun ang ano nito.
Guess no one liked my comment or what I like to say. Trent, what is your comment and what would you like to say?
Tsaka yung ano, isang ano ng tubig. Wa, tsaka dalawang coke na mismo.
They are sidecars, not tricycles. We call them trikes here. But yeah, you're right. I mean, it is a sidecar. What's up? What's up with Kuya?
Oh, I'm ordering something because there was more cheaper.
What are you ordering?
Soda.
Their soda?
Yeah, it came from the Coke Reality because I always paid 10 pesos high from this and them. So that's why I ordered. I don't have Nismo also, so I ordered.
No, we did not sell the Demon car. How is my diabetes? Okay, as long as I take my medication. Take my medication, watch what I eat.
Ayun, meron pa ako eh. Kahapon sa ano? Kahapon pa sa
Why do I look so tired? I don't know, I'm not tired. I don't feel tired.
next time na lang.
Let's wheeling and dealing right now. Any gangs where we have to pay protection money? No. Just gangs of cat, yeah. Is this dude? What's this dude doing?
I'm doing soda.
Oh.
Just a minute. Sorry guys, I'm dealing something. Wow, tsaka Sprite. Isang Royal, dalawang Coke mismo, isang bottle ng water. Ali, yung maliit lang. Wow.
Where's he getting this soda from?
That's from the Coke.
What do you mean from the Coke?
Like a Coke company.
Coca-Cola company?
Yeah, that's how they have like that red horse that I have, remember? Yes, I'm dealing something.
Many cats is the enforcer. Can you show us Liberty, please? Oh, yeah, we can show you Liberty.
Liberty!
We gotta find Liberty first.
No, he was outside. Liberty! I need to get her out.
Liberty, I don't know where Liberty's at. Liberty's outside roaming around or sleeping or something. Or out the side door.
Can't find him.
I think Liberty's out roaming about. Here, hang on. There. Yes, Justice is still missing. Lut still, you can see, Lut is doing wheeling and dealing right now. So that's the thing, you got people that come around and they always trying to sell things. You know, they'll sell you eggs, they'll sell you soda, they sell you water, candy. Somebody came around and bought some toothbrushes. So people are constantly coming around the area and trying to give you a good deal on things, and when they come around, we just buy it up. Right now, she just got a good deal on the soda, so yeah, they just come by and they offer it to you, and if it's a good deal, you buy it up. Do I use nicotine in my e-juice? Yeah. I know. Bad habit.
Well, deposit ko lang.
No, Bruce, we never found Justice. We don't know where Justice is at. Like I was saying earlier, just kind of disappeared. We think what happened is Lut seems to think Justice got poisoned.
$1,519.
221 watching. All right. Yeah. Yeah, it is sad. I like Justice was a cool cat. Justice would let you pet him and really just a really cool cat. Here, I'll get that. Hang on, guys. We're stocking up the store. All right, I'll have a seat.
Okay, I'm back now. I already dealt. My deal was already done. Now where are we going to start then? James M? Do they sell Delaware Punch there? I don't say that. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, thank you. I wish also from Trent is in Sun Call. Well, I hope your store does well, very well. So far, our stores, they're doing good. You can't make money. First of all, you have something to pay too. I paid like rent and everything. So we can't make a lot of money on it. Just a little bit. Just enough to put our pocket. Little. OB flavor juice. I don't see that OB flavor juice.
I've seen Ubi.
You seen it? I haven't
I've
seen it.
Japan, I've seen Ubi.
Brian's, no, that's juice, pal. Juice.
Juice.
Oh, that's in the beef.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, Brian is addicted with that, so he knows.
Here, are you gonna eat this?
Just a minute. I will. Shouldn't fin. Shouldn't fin. No, actually came from a Coke company. That's why also they do like same as Red Horse. It came from their company, and then there's people like same, depends where road, like this person is assigned from this road, and they will ask you for like if you want to get beers and everything or Coke for the most like cheaper than the people like who sell it. Like there's like distributor, but that distributor was banned already from the Coke, so they need to make profit too. But then they came from the reality like Coke company, so I might be dealing with them sometimes too. Because that's only rare. Yeah, OB flavor beef. Yeah, Brian said they have a OB flavor beef, Eric De La Cruz. Rinsko? Insko. Nice lady. I like to see. I can't wait to get my business. See these beautiful temples of Chang Ming and Cheng Run, trying to sell all of them. Yeah, Brian is beeping. Wally Crow. Greetings, Danielle Hollingsworth. Greetings from St. Peter, PI, Dan and Gumersanda from Dasmariñas. Oh, yeah, Dasmariñas. Dasmariñas, Cavite, it is. I heard that one, but I've never been there. One day it might be. Mike Hickland. Hey, Lot, how you guys doing? We're doing good. We're busy every day. Woke up early, send HU school, and then go to the store. The cook drink, do they use real cane sugar or corn syrup? That's the question. I don't know. Because, I don't know. Maybe it's sugar or corn syrup. I don't have any idea. I can't ask. I just don't know about it. Maybe if I met someone who was working with a Coke factory, might be. Bruce Snyder? I will also verify sometimes she sounds distance. Do I sound distance? Oh. Do I need to go like near from the mic? Because he said like I was sounds distance. Danny Gordon Sugar. Chicken crocker. What's Brian beeping, Wink? We go.
Did you buy your Honda? No, we did not buy our Honda. We are waiting to sell our car. We're trying to sell the car. And then once we sell the car, we can go to the bank, apply for the loan, and then get the car.
Rocky Aguila. Kumusta, Brian? Family from San Francisco, California. Kumusta, Aguila? Rory, too much depends.
Both of you echo when you lean back in the chair. All right. Well, we won't lean back.
Okay. He said, there's...
Huh?
Yeah, poison cats today, serial killers tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody told me, maybe that's my thing. Maybe somebody poisoned my justice.
Where is Sheila? Sheila's home.
Yeah, she's home. Right?
From Davao. Hard to sell IKEA. Nobody wants them. Yeah. You know what though? There is a Kia dealer here in Angeles City, and people do buy them. What's Eleanor? Scooby Talk.
Where? Hello, Sisi. Good morning. Meron ka bang FB gusto kita add? May ask lang ako about moving dyan. Bala kasi namin to Filipina. Eleanor, she asked me if I have a FB because she wants more information about how we live in the Philippines because they're planning to move over here.
You know what? Speaking of Coke, for some reason, the past couple of weeks now, I would say it's been a good month. Like McDonald's, Burger King, Jollibee, KFC, all them stores or all them fast food, they haven't been selling Coke products. I don't know what the problem is. Somebody said it has something to do with the sugar and the tax and all that, but they have not been selling Coke products. Sprite and like teas and things like that, but no Coke products. So I don't know what is going on with the Coke here, what the problem is. Like last night she came home with Coke.
No.
What was that?
Iced tea.
Iced tea. And they didn't even, Burger King didn't even have ice. They didn't have Coke.
No burger.
They didn't have no hamburgers. They didn't have no French fries. They only had chicken and rice. But yeah, for some reason, you can't get Coke at these fast food restaurants. You can still buy Coke in a bottle and stuff here. Matter of fact, we just got some now, but there is no Coke.
There is one person that said, Adam Feliciano. Hi Brian Lotlo, thanks for your video on Timog Resident. I brought a property over there.
All right.
Wow, congratulations. Timog Resident is actually a very nice place to live.
Pepsi trying to move in? I don't know, but I prefer Pepsi over Coke any day.
But we have Pepsi at the house.
Oh, I mean, you can get Pepsi bottle, but when you go to any of the fast food restaurants here, and even other restaurants, they don't sell Coke. I don't know about Coke bottles, but I know they don't sell Coke.
Yeah, there are some people like ask me about Pepsi too. Oh.
Yeah, no burgers at Burger King. I went to Burger King one time and
No cheese.
I asked for a cheeseburger and they said we don't have cheese. Out of stock on cheese.
Marshall Blacks, yes, I was in Olongapo.
How can I sell Kia if you told the whole world don't buy a used Kia? Yeah, don't buy a used Kia in the Philippines. You know what? Here's the thing. I say don't buy a used Kia for the simple reason there's no available parts here, especially when it comes to a Kia that is out of warranty here. From my understanding, if you buy a Kia here, you buy it brand new. If it's in warranty, they will have the parts in stock. And if they don't have the parts in stock, they will hurry and rush that part here. But once it becomes out of warranty, yeah, you got a hard time finding them. Coke rolls, Paul. No, Paul, Coke does not roll.
Do we have Wendy's?
There's a Wendy's in the SM Mall.
Oh yeah, they have Wendy's.
But you know what? A journey with Dave Jack. I've eaten at the Wendy's in SM Mall, Clark, and if Dave showed up or Wendy herself showed up, she would be embarrassed. I mean, the quality and the size and everything is not up to par with Wendy's back in the States. You know what? I didn't. Don't buy a used Kia which has been crashed 4 times and blown its alternator. Yeah. You know what? I had that alternator fixed, and runs fine now.
Si Pet Adams, pansinin nyo naman ako. Hello, Pets. How are you? Kumusta? P.T. Adams.
Yeah. Do I like Jollibee? No, I do not like Jollibee. When I first came to the Philippines, you know, people, I'll try Jollibee. I tried Jollibee, and I am not a fan of Jollibee. The only thing that's good in Jollibee is the soda.
Oh, no! Palabok. I like their palabok there.
If Dave shows up, it's serious business because he's dead. Huh?
Ano daw? Oh. He's dead.
If Dave, I don't know who Dave.
Maybe that's the owner of Wendy's.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Dave. Yeah, he's dead. My bad.
Mac Rice Burger at McDo. We always eat McDonald's. Kambingan, Rocky Aguila, Kambingan at First Street. We never try goat yet. Brian did already, but I didn't.
Goat? Yeah, I tried goat.
Wala pa lang. Maaga pa. Good. Behind. Jollibee chicken is pretty good.
Jollibee chicken? Yeah, it's okay. You know what? I can eat the Jollibee chicken.
Palabok. I like their palabok. Yeah, I like palabok only at Jollibee. It is, Jimmy. I like their palabok.
Mangisanel is good.
What?
Mangisanel.
Mang Inasal.
Yeah, that place.
Oh, that's my opinion too. Everybody goes there because of the unlimited rice. But I tried it at SM. I'm not really impressed of Mang Inasal.
Yeah, a lot of people always are at that place. Oh no.
Yeah, that's what they always said.
Oh, thank
Eric
you.
de la
Hindi po.
Cruz.
Hindi po.
Kanderitang
Thank you.
kambing is very tasty. Yeah, that's what Sheila too, because she tried it already.
I like halo halo. I like halo halo also.
And Chowking.
And Chowking halo halo. Chowking chicken
Yeah.
is good. There is no In-N-Out burgers here in the Philippines. You know what? There is Taco Bell, I think in Manila. Around Manila, there's Taco Bell. Subway, the only Subway I have seen is on one of the exits going down the NLEX towards Manila. But like Subways and Taco Bell, they're just not here. I think they should. You know what? I've heard of Max's, seen Max's, but I never ate at Max's. They just put a Chili's in SM Clark. Just opened up about a month ago now. And we got to give that a try. Kenny Rogers. I ate at Kenny Rogers one time. Shakey's Pizza. I like Shakey's Pizza.
Garlic.
I like their garlic pizza. Thin crust garlic pizza is good.
Didi's. Didn't try Didi's pizza yet.
Huh?
Didi's Pizza.
I've never tried
Still there at
Didi's.
Balibago Easy. I'm not sure.
Any good Philly cheese sandwiches there with cheese? There's two places that have good cheesesteaks here. Philly's and RBI in Queens Hotel. They have very good cheesesteaks. Not like back in the States, not like Philly, but pretty close.
May gulay. Come is so fast.
Oh, yeah.
There are 9 subway in Manila.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. I only see one in NLEX. Jamie Navarro, Philly, love your vlog. Should keep it real. Much respect. God bless you and your family. Thank you, Mr. Jimmy. Subway. I didn't try Subway here first. When we went NLEX, we just go there just to
Probably have to
get
get double cheese,
coffee. Yeah, you need to get like double cheese, double meat, because they only give you like a little. Like the bread you see in the picture is too big. When they give it to you, it's just like pandesal. Jordan Proto Max in Las Vegas got shut down because of rats. Go with Miguel. Viking have a good food. Oh, I don't know yet. We
never ate there.
We never eat yet. We never eat there in Viking. Perhaps we gotta eat there sometimes.
The Viking is over in Pampanga.
Yeah.
Up in San Fernando.
Oh, last time we went there, but there's a lot of people. That's why we don't choose to go there.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a shot one of these days. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap this one up. Like I said before, I try to keep it between 45, half hour, 45 minutes. So anyways guys, thanks for stopping in to the live chat. I haven't put any videos out the past couple days. Just haven't been in. Just wasn't in the mood, or just took a break. But anyways, guys, like I said, thanks for stopping. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving the comments, giving the thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever. No, wait, can't. Gotta go. I gotta get over and get this oil changed in the car. And then I got to go up and get a haircut, and what else? I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I'll be taking a walk. I'll probably film my walk. So anyways, guys, like I said, thanks for stopping in, and thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye.